Welcome to this video, where I'll show you how to easily disable push notifications in the NBA app on your Android device. If you find the notifications distracting or just want to reduce interruptions, this quick guide will help you manage those alerts so you can enjoy the app on your own terms. First, locate the NBA app icon on your Android phone. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Next, tap on the option labeled App Info that appears, which will take you to the App Settings page. Then, look for the Manage Notifications section. Tap on it. This area controls all notification settings for the NBA app. You will see an option called Allow Notifications. Simply toggle this option off to disable all push notifications from the NBA app. Finally, exit the settings and you're done. You will no longer receive any notifications from the NBA app unless you decide to turn them back on in the future. Thanks for watching.